Hello everyone, and welcome to the guide on how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and making a perfect cup of coffee can be a rewarding experience. Today, we'll be covering what you need, the step-by-step guide, and the benefits of making the perfect cup of coffee. To make the perfect cup of coffee, you'll need the following items: coffee beans, a grinder, a coffee maker, and filtered water. To make the perfect cup of coffee, follow these steps. 1. Grind the coffee beans in a grinder for about 15 to 20 seconds. 2. Measure out 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for each cup of coffee. 3. Boil the filtered water in a kettle or stovetop. 4. Put the coffee grounds into the filter of the coffee maker. 5. Stir the coffee grounds in the filter. 6. Carefully pour the hot water into the coffee maker. 7. Once the coffee is finished brewing, pour it into your favorite mug and enjoy. Making the perfect cup of coffee can be an enjoyable experience, as it can provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. By following the steps outlined above, you can make a delicious cup of coffee with improved flavor and more energy. So next time you make coffee, remember to follow the steps above for the perfect cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.